So this is an experiment to see if this video has any promise, and I am printing a relief block here. I'll show you, well, you'll see at the end. You'll see at the end what it's going to look like. It's a bird. So here's how I'm inking. So I've got some ink down, and the idea here is that I want to get a nice even coat. You can kind of hear it slurp a little bit. So I want a nice even coat on the glass here and on my roller. So it looks very even and kind of a little velvety. And then I go over here and I start putting the ink on the block. So I want to make sure that I get it well covered. So when I start, I kind of go in different directions, and this is supposed to keep this from slipping, but it's still kind of slippy. But you can see, and I'm paying attention to the edges. I want to make sure I get the ink all the way out to those edges. So I'm going in different directions. Okay, to make sure I've got it well covered. So now once I've gotten that done, I'm going to add some more ink. You can see when I go back and forth, and then I kind of lift up like this to try to eliminate a line here. So, okay, so I'm going over it again, and this time I'm still paying attention to those edges, but I'm feathering it more. I'm still going in different directions. I want to really make sure it's covered, but better to do lots of thin coats than try to get gloppy coats, which is going to fill in the recesses of the plate, which would not be good. Okay, so, okay. I think I'm getting close here. I'm going to do one more. And I'm going to start at this end and just start at the other end and kind of just do that to get it nice and even. Okay. And then I'm looking at my plate from an angle, see if it looks like it's covered and even, which it does look that way. Okay, so now what I need is something to print on, and so I already printed on this a colored background using a gel plate, and I can talk about that in another session. So, but what I want to do is, I want to be very careful I don't get ink where I don't want it. I'm going to put this paper down here, and then, okay, this I want to be the top that's a little lighter. And what I'm going to do, which is kind of tricky, is I'm going to lift this up, and I'm going to turn it over. There's lots of different registration methods, but this is what I'm doing at the moment. So I want to line up this top here. So I'm gonna, it's a little tricky because there's a shadow there, but very carefully, I'm gonna try to line that up and then press it down so it sticks. Then I'm going to flip it over carefully and put this deli paper that I really like. So it's it's waxy on one side and not on the other. So I want the waxy side up, so it makes it kind of smooth for doing this. So when I start, so this is a Baron, it's a Japanese Baron, or style, Japanese style Baron. First I'm just doing lightly to like really get it stuck down there. And then I start using the palm of my hand, some pressure, and do this. Go around in circles, right? I want to kind of avoid lines because I don't want, going like this because it could create lines. So circles, circles, and I'm pressing down while I'm doing this. I'm putting my body weight into it and pressing the heel of my hand here. Okay? So, okay. Okay, so I keep going back and forth with the circles. And then I also want to, this is where I do kind of go horizontal or vertical and get these edges and corners. Make sure I get that, the edges and the corners. And I'm going to do it one more time, all the way through. And I start to see the image a bit on the back, and that's a good sign. So, you'll see it more when I take this paper off, the deli paper off. The deli paper also keeps the back of the print clean. So you want to make sure that you use a clean piece of, could be newsprint, but I like the fact you can see through the deli paper. So you can kind of see that image there, okay? And then I am going to lift this off and see what we've got. Yeah, nice, huh? Very nice. So that's the printing process. All right, nice plaque. So thank you.